In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable country code in Twilio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Twilio console to allow messaging to the specific country you need so your international texts don't get blocked. Start by signing into your Twilio account and opening the console. Once you're in, head to your account dashboard. This is the home base for your project, and it's where you can jump to all the products you use. From here, look for messaging. That's the section that controls how your SMS and MMS traffic flows, including what destinations are allowed. Inside messaging, open settings. You'll see several configuration areas, but the one we want is called Geo Permissions. Geo Permissions determine which countries your project is allowed to send messages to. Twilio keeps this locked down by default to protect your account and help prevent accidental international charges or unauthorized traffic. On the Geo Permissions page for SMS, locate the list of countries. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the country you want. If you're thinking in terms of dialing codes, this is where you map the country code you need, like enabling the destination for the country that uses that code so messages can be delivered there. Select or enable the country you want to allow. This tells Twilio it's okay for your project to send messages to that destination. When you've made your selection, scroll down and click Save Geo Permissions. Twilio will then prompt you to confirm. Click Update Geo Permissions to apply the change. This double confirmation helps make sure you don't accidentally enable a region you didn't intend to. A few tips before you test. First, changes typically take effect quickly, but give it a moment before retrying a message. Second, make sure the number or messaging service you're using is properly configured and has the right sender type for the country you're targeting. Some destinations require additional registration or compliance steps for application-to-person messaging, so if delivery fails, check Twilio's country compliance guidelines. Also, keep an eye on your project's spend limits and alerts to avoid surprises when enabling new regions. If you work with voice calling too, note that voice has its own separate geo permissions, so enabling SMS here won't affect voice. And if you don't see messaging in the console, make sure you're in the correct project. That's it. You've enabled the country you need inside Twilio's geo permissions, saved your changes, and confirmed the update. Now you're ready to send messages to that destination with confidence.